going on, everyone? Welcome back to Wildhook Adventures. We're out here at the Rio Grande. Gonna test out this little spot, see what we can catch. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy the show. Gotta find a good spot to put my pole holder. It's kind of windy today, but we're gonna make the best of it. Alright, we're gonna throw out this gizzard shad. Little small guy, but he's a good size. Hopefully catfish are biting. Hopefully there's not too many snags here. Never fished this part of the river before. Oh, that was interesting. I switched it to 60-pound mono. It cast it out pretty horribly. Okay. Well, it landed where it landed. That's all I could say. I'm gonna start off with the silver Castmaster. See if there's anything biting on lures right now. I'm gonna have to recast that guy. I don't like where he landed. I was trying to keep it safe from not launching off my bait, but it was a very poor cast. We got a nice fish over there. I don't know, he caught a walleye or something. What the heck happened here? Switch spots, go a little more downriver. We are switching spots again. Fish. Oh, that is a fish. I thought it was a snag. Oh, what are you? Is that a big old... Oh, that's a walleye. Oh, beautiful walleye. Wow, look at the size of this guy. It's a big old female. Lure came up. We're gonna release you just because you're a big female. I'm not even gonna measure you because you are my new PB. Got it, whatever it is. My camera shut off, but this is what I got, guys. This guy's coming home. He's gonna be dinner. The hook popped out of his mouth. That is a beautiful fish right there. Alright. Let's see if we can catch some more. This has already turned into a good trip. Caught a nice walleye. Caught a good sized blue. That one's gonna have a lot of nuggets on him. Alright, switched poles and switched lures because I lost my last one. Lost my last swim bait of that size. have to go buy more. But let's see if this guy works. He's a white swim bait with a curly tail, made by Storm. Not sponsored by them, but it would be nice if they would sponsor me. Oh, fish on. What are you? Oh, white bass. Heck yeah. This guy's gonna be dinner too. There we go. A few casts with the little Storm swim bait and a curly tail on it. Nice white bass.
Oh no, it's moving towards me.
Oh, there you go. Ooh, it's a drum. Yeah. Yep. It's a beautiful drum. These are good catfish bait too. That's a good eater size. Oh, you never tasted them, huh? Me and Gordo made them. Here. Oh. Whatever it is, it's fighting good. Oh, it's a catfish. There you go. Got another blue. That one's fighting real good. He almost took your pole in the water. Oh, that's another good size. Oh, he's taking you to the stick. There you go. Oh, that's a big old fat one. Do you always have to one-up me? I just caught a nice one and look at what you pulled out. Ooh, look at that boy. That's a beautiful one, babe.
Wow, that's pretty real quick.
That's a big boy. Ooh, that's a female. That's a big female.
Oh, then let's not keep her.
You want to let her go?
Yeah, let me just...
Let's try this again. I'm going to face you in the direction you're supposed to go. There you go. And those are the small ones for this lake. Switch my pole. Fish on. Fish on. Ooh, that feels like a nice one. Fish on. Oh, another little white bass. Heck yeah. He's coming home for dinner. Barely hooked. Just enough. Nice. Fish on. Another white bass. There we go. We're gonna have enough to feed the family tonight. That's a nice one. The little white shad. Pretty little guy. Let's do this again. Got a little windy for a while there. Wind seemed to calm down. Fish have been biting the whole time we've been out here, so it's been a really good day. Ooh, just stopped. I have to be careful because this is my last shad. I went to the marina today to get some more because they don't have any at Cabela's or Sportsman's. I checked Walmart. Quality Baits only has the baby ones. So the only place I know that has them is the marina here at Elephant Butte, and they were closed for some reason. I don't know if it was because of the high wind warning or... Oh, I hit a snag. Okay. I think I'm gonna walk in the water because that's the same snag that took my other 2 lures. So I think I'm just gonna have to tough it out, walk in there and retrieve them all.
Did you just throw your lure?
Yep.
Why?
Because I got it unhooked.
Oh. Is that a different lure?
That's my other lure. And I have my other one dragging behind. Alright, I retrieved this swim bait, so I'm gonna test it out, see if we can catch something else, something bigger. Got all these little gnats flying around and bugging the heck out of me. Something hit it. Something from the tail. Stretched it back. I don't have to walk in the water to get this snag out. Look at this black bird with red spots on him over here in the tree. Do you see him? Yeah. Fish shot. Oh no. Is it? No. Oh yeah, it is. It's a little guy. Look at it. This little guy tried to attack that big old swim bait.
What kind of fish is it?
Aggressive little guy. He hit that swim bait almost as big as him. My line went completely limp. Oh.
Something on it?
Yep. Nice. Finally got something on my minnow. My line was completely limp. Got that guy. Do I have a snag? I do. Look. At least this one came out though. Alright, you guys, we got quite a bit of fish. We're gonna be doing a catch, clean, and cook, so stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the kitchen. You guys, we got them all prepped up, ready to go into the disco. This is one of the drums that we caught. They'll be going in first. Beautiful sound. That is the finished product after deep frying them. Me and my son are going to do a taste test, see if the drum and the white bass, which one tastes better. So here we go. Alright, starting off with the drum. Look at that white flaky meat. Beautiful.
It's really tender.
Really good. Now the white bass for me. Ooh. This one's a little darker, but compared to the drum, you can see the difference in the meat color. But I bet you it's still good. For me, it's the white bass. Which one do you like more?
I say the white bass.
The white bass tastes way better, huh? The drums are good, but the white bass is very tasty. So there you guys have it. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy.